Hi everyone, I hope you are fine. Welcome to another video of Mastercam. So as you know, we have completed the module number 3, which is all about the general design, and we have covered the topics in design, general view and line tools, alternative methods of geometry creation, level and creative surface geometry, introduction to solid exterior, additional solid features, fillets and chamfers, and model prep tools. So now it's time to test your knowledge. So we have few multiple choice questions, and what you have to do is you have to pick the right answer. So let's get started. So the first question is, what does Mastercam primarily focus on in terms of design? Option A, 2D design only. Option B, 3D design only. Option C, both 2D and 3D design. Option D, industrial machine tool design. The right answer is option C, both 2D and 3D design. Now let's move towards another question. What is the purpose of the level function in Mastercam's interface? Option A, organizing different elements of project based on their importance. Option B, setting the priority of tool paths during machining simulation. Option C, managing the visibility and editing access of various entities in a design. Option D, adjusting the feed rate and spindle speed during machining operations. So the right answer is option C, managing the visibility index, editing access of various entities in a design. Third question is all about the which option in Mastercam allows you to create a solid extrude feature. Option A, extrude boss. Option B, revolve. Option C, cut extrude. Option D, chamfer. So the right answer to the question is option A, extrude boss. Next question is, in Mastercam, when creating a solid extrude, what defines the direction of the extrusion? Option A, sketch orientation. Option B, extrude depth. Option C, material density. Option D, extrude profile. So the right answer to the question is extrude depth. Now let's move towards another question. What type of geometry you can use as a profile for a solid extrude in Mastercam? Option A, lines only. Option B, circles only. Option C, closed in contours. Option D, points. So the right answer to the question is option C, closed contours. Next question is, which of the following operation is primarily used to create a rounded edge between two surfaces in Mastercam? Option A, pocketing. Option B, contouring. Option C, filleting. Option D, drilling. So the right answer to the question is option C, filleting. So we have discussed and tested your knowledge in module number 3. So that's it. Thank you very much.